all shiny shift knob and boot. What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining me again. Honda doing a shift knob and boot. New one. This one's worn out. We're going to try to attempt this. From messing around with it, it's a pain in the ass. It's not just a 1, 2, 3 deal. You're going to have to remove this center console. So let's get to it. First, I'm going to remove the knob. Easily unscrews. Previously loosened it. That's that. Next, you're going to go down here. There's a little place to stick your flathead screwdriver in. That pops out. Your cup holder. Back here. Piece of material. I don't even know what's in there. But anyway, there is a Phillips screw in there. That has to come out. Let me remove that and I'll continue filming. Alright, so I got that screw removed. As you can see, everything is moving now. Alright, so I'm down here. They're little clips. They're going to pop out. Alright, so there's only 2 clips up front where I showed you driver's and passenger side. I'm going to try to attempt to remove this. Also, right underneath your emergency brake handle here, there's a little flap you want to remove so you can get everything out. Lay the passenger seat down. There's a your armrest on a driver's side right here. It's a tight fit. You can remove it. It makes it a little bit easier. I did not remove mine. So there it is. Basically very easy, 4 screws. I'm going to do that now. Alright, there it is. I removed the 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what you have left. There's going to be tabs right here. 4 tabs. Push them in. And that's what you're left with. Now, you're going to have to staple it. You don't have to, but it is recommended so it stays in place. But I'm pretty sure once the ring is on there, you don't really need to staple it, but who knows? Anyway, as you could see, the boot size difference. The boot I got is an aftermarket boot. Of course, there's going to be some trimming. This one's a little bit bigger than this one. As you can see here, a little bit longer. But I'm just going to trim it up, staple it, and get it on there. Alright, so what I'm doing now is loosening up all the staples. You know, flathead screwdriver. A small, very small, thin flathead screwdriver you can get underneath there. And get those staples popped up. As you can see, that's going to be your end result. Pop those staples out. Put new ones in. Put the boot on. Start reassembling. Alright, here we go, people. There it is. Old boot, new boot. Got it in there. Got the tabs in. Here's the deal. This is a aftermarket boot. Aftermarket. If you want the original one to fit perfectly on there, go to the dealership. If you're going to buy it online, you're going to end up with something like this. This is probably a universal boot that fits many Hondas. If you don't mind messing with it a little bit, trimming it off, you know, spending a few minutes on it extra, you're going to have a boot for cheap. If you want, like I said, if you want a proper, exact fit, go to the dealership. I have no clue what they're going to charge you, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be some crazy price. So now what I'm going to do is trim this off and start reassembling, get my staples in here, and go from there. All right, so there it is. What I'm going to do now is get my 4 screws back in, get it back in the center console, and just reverse the process. I hope you guys were paying attention how to take it apart, because I'm not going to go through the whole thing putting it back together. It's very simple. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Okay, so there you go. There's my finished product here. Got the center console in. Remember, you're working with plastic, depending how old your Honda Fit is. I can't stress enough of this. Be careful. Take your time. Definitely give yourself a good hour on this project if you're dealing with a universal boot, because the hardest part about this project is actually trimming the boot, this thing here, because it was not a direct fit like a one from the dealership. If you get one from the dealership, I would definitely give yourself a good 45 minutes to do this project. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.